Guys, it's Taya, and today I'm showing you guys my super minimal and easy eyebrow routine. Before we get started, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. The two products that I use are the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Espresso and the NYX Brow Setter. It's just a clear brow gel. I like to focus on filling in sparse areas and making my brows proportional. So first I brush my hairs down, and this shows you what needs to be filled in. Then you just create a line where the side of your nose starts, and this is where your eyebrow should start, and then you basically just draw hairs going upwards from there. When you're working on the front, you definitely want to use a really light hand, and I fill in the rest of my brows, like the sparse areas, with a flicking motion. I don't overline or anything. I really just want to create a fuller version of my eyebrows. And you always want to blend. Keep that in mind. It's super important. So to see where your brow should end, you want to create an imaginary line from the corner of your eyes, and the tail should not go too far past this imaginary line. And you can use the eyebrow pencil to kind of measure it out and make sure it's straight. And you'll see me fix mine because mine is a little bit longer, so you'll see me kind of wipe it off and try again. So same thing goes for my other brow. I really just follow the same steps. Brush the hairs down, see what's sparse, fill it in, create that imaginary line on the front of your brows and fill in whatever is sparse there. And this creates an overall more proportional look. And by drawing the hairs up in the front, it creates like a fluffy, fuller effect. And yeah, that's basically it for my brow tutorial. It's really easy. I don't like to do a lot because I like to save time. I really don't like doing my brows. I feel like it's so time consuming, so try to keep it short and simple. Now I'm going in with the NYX Brow Setter, and I like to brush my brow hairs up to create a fluffy look. And if any of the hairs stick out on the top, all you have to do is brush them to the side like I'm doing here. And since I don't overline my eyebrows, there's no need for concealer, so I just go in with my highlighter and place it on the arch of my brows. And this is how they turned out. If you guys enjoyed the video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!